How I'm looking. What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE B, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, y'all, so if I'm talking weird, I just got my braces tightened, so bear with me. You know, if you have braces, you know the pain that we go through, okay? But in this video, I am back with a hair review video. You guys know I love hair reviews. I just love getting new hair to experiment on. Ooh, you guys don't know the feeling. So this company that I am reviewing today is called SoGood Hair, and they sent me a 12-inch, I'm lying. They sent me a 14-inch bob. Just how I like it. 150 grams. Is that 150 grams? I don't know. Is that what they say? I don't know. But yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the hair out the box, you know, all that good stuff. Take the hair out the nail. Okay. Okay, it's still stuck on my hand. Where did it go? Okay. What the heck? Okay. So you guys know, I always say this. Short hair is not for me, but I love trying it because I always end up looking good on your girl, you feel me? So yeah, this is a bob, of course, a 14-inch bob, and I think 14 inches is more comfortable for me. Yeah, because what I have in right now is 16, so 14 will probably come about like right here, so that's, alright, maybe it's not that long. This is 16, I think this is 18, but anyway, this is 18, so 16 will be here and 14 right here, and that's, I feel comfortable with this 14-inch. Like, I don't really do short hair. But anyway, this is a frontal bob, of course. It's a frontal wig. Frontal bob. What am I saying? This is a frontal wig. It has 3 combs on it. It also has the adjustable band, which I love because you can adjust it. If you want, you could do a glueless frontal. But you may have to add another band. You never know. If it's not too tight, you could probably add another band. But yeah, this is not a full lace. You can see there is wefts in the middle. They also have a little bit of lace in the back. Okay. Okay, so now another thing I love about this company is that the knots are already bleached. Do you see that? And it's already pre-plucked. You can come in. Liz. Okay, I thought I heard somebody at my door. Whoa, look yellow. Okay, yeah, so like I said, the hairline and everything is already pre-plucked, but you guys always know I always go back in and do my extra little plucking, and the knots are bleached, like I said, so that's another plus. Let's see. The hair doesn't smell like anything. I love when hair smells like nothing. It doesn't smell like anything. Yes.
Lizzie need a comb.
What was I saying now? Yeah, okay. First of all, okay, yes. Got it back. The hair is real soft. The hair is real soft and it's silky. I haven't got any type of shedding yet. No type of shedding, and like I said, the hair is soft. I'm gonna put it on my head just to see like how long it is. And guys, I might just keep it this color. I might just keep it this color, or I might just make it jet black. You guys know I love jet black. I love jet black on your girl. Even when I take my natural hair out sometimes, I know I'm gonna have it out for a while, I would rinse it jet black. Like if I knew I was gonna have my hair for a month, I would have rinsed it jet black. Like I just love jet black on me, and that's the only dark color I like. Cause like this purple right now, I'm not really feeling it because I don't like dark colors against my face. I like light colors, but the only dark color I would honestly do is jet black. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my head. I really don't want my hair to get messed up. Okay, I'm feeling this already. I'm feeling this. Let me see. Oh, it smells. Maybe because I got a wig on my head right now. Yeah, let me see this. Hold on, let me see this bob length. Yeah, this is more me. Like this length is more me. That last one I received, I loved it, but it was just short. I feel like this bob is more me, and it's not even all the way on my head because I have like, it's tilted, so it's not flat on my head, so it's probably longer. But this length is me. Do I want to color this hair or do I want to leave it jet black? What should I do, y'all? Leave y'all suggestions down below. Like, any ideas you have, just leave them down below. I think I might just leave it this, or I'd probably just do two stripes, a color right here in the middle. But yeah, I'm jacking this hair. Oh my god. Oh my god. This hair looks so good and it feels so good. I'm ready to install this. Let's see. Let me get a comb. Let's see how this is looking. Let's see. Oh, this looks good. Do it? It do. I just can't see because my hair is dark underneath. Yeah, this looks good. I might go in and bleach it again if I can, just to get the black knots out. But for the most part, it's bleach, y'all. It's bleach. Y'all ready for this install? Oh, I already know the hairstyle I'm about to do. You guys know. Oh, I look octy. I looked mad strong for a second. But you already know the hairstyle I'm about to do. Look how silky this hair is. Oh my god. Oh my god. I like it. It's so silky. With this look right here, the flip over look. I'm about to look like I'm 25 in this. Woo. Nah. But anyways, y'all. You guys already know I got that special coupon for you guys. It's gonna be right here on the screen. It is AB10 to get $10 off. The exact link, their website and everything, the exact link to this wig, their website and all the other products will be listed down below. Yeah, I'm really feeling this hair, y'all. I'm about to take this out and put this in. I'm really feeling this. But yeah, like I said, all that information will be listed down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. On the road to 40K, man. Share. Don't forget to click that bell notification so you guys can get notified when I upload videos. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below on what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You are packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stimulus and guns, I tell them slap for nothing.